My name is Trym. I mainly work with the Yara in projects and modifications towards the plants here in Porsgrunn. The digital twin helps me make faster and better decisions because it's much more accessible. You save a lot of time. When you're doing a modification, it's a lot easier to see what more should you do, what more can you improve, because it's much easier to sit down and talk while looking at the digital twin than it's inside the plant because of the noise, and we don't always have Bluetooth headsets, so it's kind of hard to communicate. But with the digital twin we can easily chat with each other, or with Teams we can share our screens and show around in the twin. And yeah, it's hard to say how much time you save because it's so much, because you don't have to inspect the plants all the time. You don't have to change your clothes, go outside, take the measurements or take pictures, or just to check if you have already been there, and to see if was it just like I remembered or how was it, and then you have to go outside and check. But now you can use the digital twin, so it can be from 1 hour to 5 minutes. I see something that's not in the particular area that I'm doing the modification, but maybe further upstream or downstream the pipe, I can easily model that part as well, and then I can suggest to Yara that we should maybe support this pipe a little bit better, or we should do this or that. Yeah. Compared to the old ways, it's a lot easier to begin the project, to start the engineering phase, because you don't have to spend days collecting old documentation or new documentation for that matter. It's a lot easier when you can request the 3D scan of the area. I've checked with the model I have now, it's about 5mm accuracy on the 3D scan. So if you can plan everything with 5mm accuracy, it's a lot better than you going out taking the measurement yourself, because you can actually measure areas maybe that's not accessible outside in the plant without ladders or a lift or something like that. Yeah, it would be horrible to go back to the old ways. To describe it in one word, it's or two words, it's efficiency and accessibility.